guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing body scrub. If you have dark spots on your body or any part of your body, this scrub is okay to use all over your body. In case you're seeing my video for the first time, my name is Naya. In this channel, we talk about beauty, skincare, lifestyle, product review, and many more. Please consider subscribing and turn on the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop your comment under the comment section. So all you need will be your empty bottle. You can use any bottle of your choice, okay? So I will be using some sugar, white sugar. You can use brown sugar as well. But on this video, I will be using white sugar. You can add 1 to 2 cups of white sugar into your bottle. After adding your sugar into your bottle, all you have to do next is to grab your honey. Please, if you are getting honey, make sure you are getting the original type, okay? So in this video, we're going to be using 2 teaspoons of honey. Please do not use the running type, but if that is your choice, you can go ahead and use it. As for me, I don't like the running type. That honey, I don't like the way it runs, and I don't actually like it. I don't want it on my skin routine. So after that, you add your 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay? After adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, the main bleaching or lightening ingredient on this scrub would be lemon. So we are going to be needing 3 teaspoons of lemon. So all you have to do is to cut a lemon into 2 and then squeeze out the juice. We'll be needing 3 teaspoons of it. So after you add your lemon juice, the next ingredient will be your shower gel. You can use any shower gel of your choice, okay? It could be Johnson baby soap or any of your favorite shower gel that you have with you. You can actually make a use of that, okay? So in this video, I'm not going to be using Johnson baby soap. I will be using my main shower gel, okay? So I'll be making use of this shower gel. So if you're going to add your shower gel, you need to add, like, if you don't want your scrub should be running, you should add 4 to 5 drops of shower gel into. So as for me, I want my scrub to be running a little bit. That is how I prefer it. So I will be adding more shower gel to mine so that it will be running a little bit. So after adding your shower gel, you mix all the ingredients together. Make sure you mix very well, and after mixing, you are going to notice a very amazing scrub. Wow, it looks really good on the skin. So this is my second time of making this body scrub. If you have dark spots on your body, you have any marks on your body, you have a dry skin, all over your body is not smooth, it's so much dry, dark spots, scars, this shower gel is this scrub, I say shower gel. So this scrub is going to help you take care of your skin, help you get rid of those dark spots and very dry skin. So if you are dealing with a tough, very dry skin, you should grab this scrub. Make it at home and use it. It's going to work for you, it's going to work like magic. As you can see, my scrub was not that running. It was really strong somehow. So I added some shower gel into so that it should be easy for me to mix and when I'm applying it on my skin, it will be very easy for me or to penetrate to my skin. So I added some shower gel into, and here is how it's looking. It's looking like this, running a little bit, not that running. So your body scrub is ready. All you have to do is to take this shower gel to your bedroom, your kitchen, no matter anywhere you want to take it to, like especially you can take it to your bedroom. And then before using this shower gel, please do not use it on your dirty skin. All you have to do is to wet your skin before using, okay? After wetting your skin, you're going to apply this shower. Oh my God, what is going on? Please pardon me. So, you're going to apply this body scrub all over your body, your face, your body. You're going to apply it on your skin and massage it in the circular motion. Please do not scrub your skin so hard because it might also damage your skin. So, all you have to do is to scrub your skin in the circular motion very gently. So after that, you wait for like 2 to 5 minutes. If time, like you have time, okay, you can wait up to 5 to 10 minutes before taking it off with water. It could be lukewarm water, it could be cold water, it could be whatsoever. Ice. So do not use ice. I'm just kidding, okay? So you should use lukewarm water to take it off and then follow it with cold water. And after that, you can apply your favorite moisturizer. You can use a Vaseline after this scrub all over your body. This scrub is made for the body and the face, okay? It has no side effects. It's very good. If you have a sensitive skin, please do test before trying this body scrub because it might be good for me, but everyone has a different skin type. Not what work for me might work for you. Everything is just a try. You have to give it a try and see for yourself if it will be okay or if it suits your skin. Okay, so that is how it is. So please, if you like this video or it's helpful to you, please consider subscribing and turn on the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. And don't forget to hit like this video. Help me to share with your families, your loved ones. And please do share. Thank you so much. If you want any review on any products, you can contact me on the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe. It's very important. Please support your girl. Thanks for watching.